Today we're showing you a 2022 Kubota L3302 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA526 quick attach front loader. Tractor has right around 50 or 60 hours on it. It is practically a new machine. Does come with the balance of the Kubota warranty as well. The loader itself is quick attach. The bucket is quick attach as well with the skid steer style connection. Has a front grill guard on it. R4 tires. Does have the hydrostatic transmission. Has 3 ranges in that hydro transmission. Has the foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch. Drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Got the toolbox back here. It's a very nice tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.